Hope you're doing good.
Good morning. Are we doing good?
As I was checking ourselves, and I find today's content is getting in the morning is good. People say, are you the early bird? It means early bird which gets up in the morning finds the warmth. Getting in the morning is good. Now you can say getting in the not morning, is it a bad? We don't know the benefits, but when we get up in the morning, things are there for us to do it quickly. We have the studies where those who got up in the morning, for example, Apple CEO, lots of big stocks. As you check on their backgrounds, you will find it somewhere in the days of their life. They have got up in the morning, and that's how they have built their character, and then that's how they built their life through. So getting in the morning is good. What are you thinking today? Will you be the early bird who gets up in the morning to find the warmth? Are you I'm willing. Hope you will be willing that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.